Okay, so I'm about to apply the third coat. It's been about 45 minutes again. As like the previous coat, this one will be a little bit thicker this time. As we've done with every subsequent coat, we've just given it a little bit more material on the surface of the guitar. But as I said, this will be the third and final coat I'll do. I'll then let this sit for somewhere between 24 and 48 hours before we talk about sanding. Okay, so I'm going to mask up now and just apply the third coat. Okay, and that should do it. So that's 3 coats. I think that'll be sufficient. I'm going to let this cure, as I said, for somewhere between 24 and 48 hours, and then we'll talk about sanding.